Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for October 22nd. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved higher today, had a pretty strong move to the upside, pulled back, closed still up, but within the middle of the range, moving sideways. Overall, look for this pair to potentially go as high as 82.16, possibly as low as 80.42. Look for some resistance around 81.84, and look for some support around 80.75. Now, the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair closed down today, did have a move to the upside, but did close down, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 141.31, possibly as low as 138.06. Look for some resistance around 140.50, and look for some support around 138.30. Okay, now the pound-US dollar pair. This pair closed down. Pretty much same range as the past three bars, or past two bars now. Look for this pair to continue moving sideways, potentially moving up to 159.33, possibly as low as 156.12. Look for some resistance around 158.25, and look for some support around 156.50. Okay, now the US Swiss. This pair closed higher, created an inside bar, so definitely look for that. Moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 197.31, possibly as low as 0.9542. Look for some resistance around 0.9702, and look for some support around 0.9575. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the consumer price index for the Canadian dollar being released at 7 a.m. Eastern Time for September. They're showing year-to-date a move from 1.7% to 1.9%. Now, as far as what I'm looking for during this next session, I actually have several trades to look at. In the U.S.-Japanese yen pair, we have a swing trade set up that was created over the past three bars. Look for it to potentially come up to this point, and then for a very quick exit, look for it to take out the high, about a 13 pip move. Now, the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair created a swing trade setup as well over the past three sessions. Looking for a break to the upside, a buy. If that occurs, looking to take out this high. This would be for a profit of about 50 pips. Now, the pound-US dollar pair, it created an inside bar. So we're looking for a breakout either to the upside or the downside. Let's zoom out a little bit, get a little better perspective. If it breaks to the upside, definitely looking for it to tag there, go about that high, and to the downside about here. So to the upside, looking for a break of about 40 pips. To the downside, which is much closer to at this point, looking for a move of about 50 pips to the downside. Now, the US Swiss, this pair also created an inside bar. So look for a potential breakout. If we get a breakout to the upside, look for it to take out this high, this session's high. If it moves to the downside, look for it to take out this low. So kind of what that looks like. A buy to the upside, get out at about 40 pips into profit. To the downside, about 30. Well, there's four trades for you going into a Friday session. Been moving sideways, have some inside bars. Definitely potential for breakouts, so make sure to keep an eye on those. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.